So just recently I had printed this guy up for my youngest son, Ricky, because he's getting into Switch and he's getting more games, but found an issue with this already. When he wants to go travel, oh no, I spilled them everywhere. So I found this guy. Not bad. Not bad at all. Close that bad boy up. It's the only thing that's a little weird closing it, because you got to have it perfectly even. But, so, it ain't going nowhere. Printed out of gold, because Ricky's new thing was anything I had to print him, it had to be gold. So, that's why this is gold. So, I found this guy. But then, I came across this guy. This guy. Okay. I printed this guy first, not realizing I needed this box. I thought this box was printing all together. I don't even know what I was looking at when I sliced it. I don't know. But anyways, so here it is. And so I think this is going to be the winner just because of how much of a Mario fan he is. So this will be the winner of his travel box. Well, his game box. He's going to use it for his games all the time, but still in place. And this is print place, printed just like this. This little insert was actually designed by somebody else to go in it, but they have them both linked together, and I will also link them in the description as always.